Okay. Hi everyone. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So shall I wait or shall I proceed? Okay. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. I think now everyone audio is also audible and video is also visible. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, previously we
Yes, sir.
don't have audio support. That's why I changed this streaming to a new one. Hope I think everyone is able to see me and everyone is able to listen to my audio clearly. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is our PPT visible to you? Gray code.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah. Is it visible that gray code? Yes. Boys here and girls here.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. If any problem is why because I had came to directly onto the right pad. So if any error or if any mistake is there, just me blow in through your voice or you can unmute at any time and you can say your problem. Okay. If the
Okay,
screen
sir.
goes wrong or if any mistake is happening from my end, so let me know. I will correct such a way that you can get a quality lecture. Okay. So why? Because
Okay,
what's
sir.
going in the background stream I can't see. Why? Because I came to an writing pad screen, so nothing will be visual to
Okay.
me. Any issue is there? Let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will adjust from here. Okay, students, welcome back to our channel. So please, everyone, unmute your mics. Okay. So today total count is just 19. The strength is around 60. Okay, we'll wait. The remaining also will join. So if any problem is there in joining, let me also know. I will add you. Okay. 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 Right. So now we will try to proceed to understand the gray code. Actually, in the class we have been discussed about gray code. Okay. So those who are in online, can you say that what is the numbers you are going to get in gray code? So this is like an interactive class. You can also interact. So let me write down the. So first you are going to have decimal numbers, and from decimal numbers we are going to get the BCD codes, and from BCD code we are going to get gray codes. So now let us try to define how we are going to get all this one by one. Already we have been done half of the part in the previous class. Okay. Okay. I think now the screen is also visible to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay for everyone? Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now let us see here. So what are the decimal numbers you are going to have? So let's try to define our decimal numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the valid decimal numbers for an BCD code. What are the different BCD codes you are going to have? Let me know. So we are going to write down the 4-bit BCD code as 8421. Okay. So how to write down the BCD code for 0? How we can write down?
0 0 0
Yeah,
0.
good. So already we completed in the class. We can write down it as 0 0 0 4 zeros. And next 0 0 0 1. Okay. And next one we can write down 0 0 1 0. Okay. And we can write down 0 0 1 1. Yeah. So 4 we can write down it as 0 1 0 0. And 5 we can write down it as 0 1 0 1. And 6 we can write down it as 0 1 1 0. And 7 we can write down it as 0 triple 1. And how we can write the 8 is 1 0 0 0. And how we can write down 9 is 1 0 0 1. So like this we can write down all the numbers from decimal conversion. This is called binary coded decimal. So binary values are converted into, sorry, decimal numbers are converted into binary numbers. So this is already we have been defined. So now you need to generate this gray code. So already in the class I have been discussed how we will getting the gray code. Can anyone say what's the gray code you are going to get? Here you are going to get 0,
0 0
yeah, 0 1, and here you are going to get 3,
3
yeah, 2, and next
2
uh,
6
6
7 7
7.
5 4
Very good,
12
super.
13.
5 4 12
So 1
13, super. So
1
now
13.
we need to work out how to remember. Already in the class I have been discussed how to remember. The sequence is 0 1 3 2. So this remembrance will help us to understand K map. I will discuss in the class. Okay, the next numbers are 6 7 5 4. Next one is 12 and 13. So how to now you say this, how to write down the gray code for the given numbers. So 0 I can write down it as, the form is 8 4 2 1. So how to write down here? 0 0 0. How to write down 1? 0 0 0 1. How to write down 2 here? 0 0 1 0. How to write down the 3 here? 0 0 1 1. We can write down the 3. Sorry. Yeah, here it is going to get 1 1, and here you are going to get 1 0. Okay, how to write down the 6 here? So this is 0 1 1 0. How to write down the 7? 0 1 1 1. So then how to write down the 5? 0 1 0 1. How to write down the 4 here? 0 1 0 0. How to write down the 12? So 12 we can write down it as 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12 0 0. How to write down 13? 8 plus 4 12 and 1. Okay, so this is how we have it written. Now you should know how from this BCD code we are going to get this gray code. I will do an example. The remaining students you can follow up in online. Okay, so see here. Now let us try to take one example. So I'm taking the example of 7. Okay, so example I'm taking the BCD value of 7. So for 7, what is the gray code I have to supposed to get? So for 7, how much I have to get?
4
4. So now the BCD value is 7, and I should get the gray code which is nothing but 4. Then how we are going to get? Okay, so now we just see here. So this is 7, where this 7 is an decimal number, and I'm going to write down this codes. We have written 8421. So this 8421, how we have written the 7? 7 we have written as 0111. So this all this one we are going to call it as this is called as B naught. I mean first LSB, and next one you are going to call it as B1, and next one you are going to call it as B2, and next one you are going to call it as B3. So these are the given BCD to us. From this BCD, I have to get the formula of gray code. So then the formula here at LSB you are going to get G naught. Here you are going to get G1, and here you are going to get G2, and here you are going to get G3. Okay. So now I have to link each individual formula. Okay. So the formula to link the gray code is G3 is equal. I mean G3 is equal to B3 directly. You'll be getting. So how to get the value of G2 is so here for B3 and B2, you need to perform XOR gate. So B3 and B2, you have to perform XOR gate, then you are going to get the value of G2. So therefore, for G1, you are going to perform the XOR gate for B2. I mean, this B2 will come here, B2 XOR gate of B1. and G naught, you're going to get the XOR combination of B1 XOR combination of B naught. Okay, so can anyone say what is the output of an XOR gate? Please refer your book and say me the XOR gate. So what are the inputs you're going to have in XOR gate? A, B. So what is A XOR gate of B? So here 0, 0. This is nothing but 2 1 code 0 0 0 1 1 0 as well as 1 1. So what you're going to get here? Can anyone say the XOR code by referring your notes?
0110.
Super, simply super. 0 1 1 0. So this is what our XOR code we are going to get. Okay, already this derivation we had done in the class. Can anyone say the formula of XOR code? A bar B plus A B bar. This we had already done in the class. Okay, so now see here. So I want to get G3 value. Okay, so the value of G3 is equal to B3. What is the value of B3 here? What is the value of B3 here? 0. Very good. G3 equal to 0. So if anyone needs some running notes, if we can write down lively also. Okay. So next I want to find out G2. So G2 is equal to B3 exclusive R of B2. Okay. So B3 means where is B3? So B3 is nothing but how much? 0 exclusive R of B2. B2 value is how much? 1. Okay, so from here how we can write down, you can see, just verify your table. 0 exclusive R of 1, what is the output you are going to get? 1. So here you are going to get the value of G2 is equal to how much? 1, and G3 is equal to 0. Okay, next let's try to do the next term, G1 term. So what is G1 term formula? B2 exclusive R of B1. Okay, so what is the B2 value? What is the B2 value? 1, as well as B1 is also 1. 1 X, I mean X nor, I mean XR of 1. So B2 is 1 and B1 is 1. So 1 exclusive R of 1 is nothing but what is the value you are going to get here? 0. And we require the value of G naught. G naught is equal to B1. B1 value is how much? 1 exclusive nor of B naught. What is the value of B naught? Again 1. Okay, are you able to understand? So therefore G naught. So 1 exclusive NOR of 1, what is the output you are going to get? G naught. Now let us try to write down the gray code like this: G3, G2, G1, G naught. What is the value of G3? 0. What is the value of G1? 1. What is the value? What is the value of G2? 1. What is the value of G1? 0. What is the value of G naught? How much? 0. So write down the code 8421. So when you write down the 8421 code, what is the equivalent of this BCD in a decimal form? Anyone?
4.
4. So what is the answer you are supposed to get? What is the BCD of 7 now?
4.
4. So hope you are able to understand. I repeat the problem here. So G3 equal to B3. G2 is equal to B2 exclusive R of B3 exclusive R of B2. G1 is equal to B2 exclusive R of B1. G0 is equal to B1 exclusive R of B0. So when you perform this exclusive OR operation, then you are going to get it. So can anyone? So can you do it for a given BCD is of BCD is of 2? Try to find out the gray code. Okay. So already in the question itself is there the decimal 2. What is the gray code you have to get? 3. So please try to do of your own. You have to get the gray code value, which is nothing but 3. Okay. Now let us try to solve here. So I'm just copying this OR gate table. So try to do of your own and let me say the value. Okay, good. So how to write down, say the formula, what you're going to get? So try to do of your own and say the value of BCD2. You have to get the gray code as a 3. Try to do of your own. So just a minute. So has anyone done it? Can you say the answer? So 1 second, this app is not working. It's right. So I think now the screen is visible, right? Okay. So did you got the answer? Anyone?
0011.
The 0011. What is the answer? 3.
Please, sir.
So due to some technical issue, code has been closed. That's why I was unable to do it. So just be on the line. I will shut down my system and I will restart. I think some error is there. Okay, just to give me some time. Right. Okay, sorry for disruption. So now, what is the given BCD value? The given BCD value is 2 here. Okay. So for this 2, we should get the value of 3. So hope when you do it, then you're going to get the background as 3. So how to write down 2 here? So sorry for interruption. There is some latency error in online. So hope try to understand. Right. So everyone got the answer? Anyone?
Please, sir.
Yeah. So say the procedure of solving it. So here, when you take this binary, so I'll start the meeting in 5 minutes because the errors are there in this online. I'll start in 5 minutes.